Sarura, kids.
Are you ready to make your heart smile? Today, we are going on a big adventure to learn 100 special words in Shona. Our first stop is the most important place of all, the family. In Shona, we say Mhuri. Get ready to repeat after me.
Ba. That means father. Baba. Amai. Mother. The heart of the home. Amai. Ambuya. Grandmother. She tells the best stories. Ambuya. Sekuru. Grandfather. Sekuru.
Hi everyone,
Mucheche.
welcome.
A little baby. Mucheche. Mukomana. Boy. Mukomana. Musikana. Girl. Musikana. Hanjadzi.
Hello.
Now this is how we say a sibling of the opposite gender. Hanjadzi. Muningina. This is how we say a sibling of the same gender. Muningina. Budi. Brother. Budi. Sisi. Sister. Sisi.
Good job! You are doing so well! Mwanangu, taura mazwi yako. My child, speak your words. Now, let's look at ourselves. Touch your hips. Wiggle your fingers. In Shona, we call the body Muviri. Now, get ready to point to the parts of your Muviri.
Musoro. Head. Can you nod your musoro? Vudzi. Hair. Beautiful, beautiful. Vudzi. Maziso. Eyes. Look with your maziso. Muno. Nose. Can you wiggle your muno? Muromo. Mouth. Use your muromo to smile. Mazino. Teeth. Mazino. maoko. Hands. Clap your maoko. Makumbo. Legs. Makumbo. Lumbu. Tummy. Lumbu. Nzeve.
Waves reach your ear. They travel
Ears.
the ear canal, causing
Listen
vibrations
with your
that allow
nzeve.
Wow, you are doing so well. When I speak Shona, my heart is smiling. Are your nzeve listening for the next few words? Let's go to the village. Hande kumusha. Do you hear that? The animals are waking up. These are the animals that we find at home. Mhuka dzekumusha.
Mombe. Cow. Moo. Mombe. Mbudzi. Goat. Mbudzi. Huku. Chicken. Can you cluck, cluck, cluck like a huku? Imbwa. Dog. Our best friend. Imbwa. Katsi. Cat. Katsi. Wine. Sheep. Wine. Nguruve. Pig. Can you oink, oink, oink like a nguruve? Donkey. 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 Dada. Duck. Can you go quack, quack, quack like a dada? Suro. Rabbit. Hop, little suro. Hop, hop, hop.
Look at all the friends that we made at the farm today. You are growing so smart. Every word you say is like a little sun. But now we must be very quiet. We are going into the bush. Some of the animals we find here are big and some are fast. Mhuka dzesango.
Shumba. The lion. King of the savannah. Shumba. Roar. Nzo. Elephant. Look at that long trunk. Nzo. Mbada. Leopard. Mbada. Mbizi. Zebra. Look at those stripes on the mbizi. Twiza. Giraffe. Twiza. Nyoka. Snake. Slither like a nyoka. Voo. Hippo. Voo. Garwe. Crocodile. Snap, snap, snap. Garwe. Soko. Monkey. playful, cheeky tsoko. Gudo. Baboon. Gudo.
Safe at last. We are back from the bush. Shamariti Mhuri, my friends, did you say Shumba out loud, just like a lion? I am so proud of you. Is your tummy rumbling? Is your lumbu hungry? Let's talk about Chikafu. It's time for some food.
Sadza. Our favorite meal. Sadza. Nyama. Meat. Nyama. Chingwa. Bread. Soft and yummy. Chingwa. Mvura. Water. Drink your mvura. Mukaka. Milk. Mukaka. Zai. Egg. Zai. Hole. Fish. Hole. Shigiri. Sugar. Sweet. Sweet. Shigiri. Muchero. Fruit. Healthy, yummy muchero.
Nanga, the freshest pumpkins around.
Nanga. Pumpkin. Nanga.
That was delicious. Chikafu makes us strong so we can play. Now that we have finished eating, let's look around our house. Pamba. Pamba is where we eat, sleep, and play. Let's look around together.
Imba. House. Beautiful imba. Goni. Door. Open the goni. Fafitera. Window. Look out of the fafitera. Kamuri. Room. Kamuri. Chigaro. Chair. Sit on the chigaro. Mubeda. Bed. Sleepy time on the mubeda. Ndiro. Plate. Ndiro. Komichi. Cup. Komichi. Chipunu. Spoon. Chipunu. Banga. Knife. Be careful with the banga.
Your home is full of Shona words now. Taram Tarawakwewe. Speak your language inside your house. What are you wearing today? Let's get dressed. In Shona, clothes are called Zvipfuyo.
Rokwe. Dress. A pretty rokwe. Mudebe. Trousers. Mudebe. Gwanda. Shirt. Button your gwanda. Shangu. Shoes. Put on your shangu. Nguani. Hat. Wear your nguani. Masokisi. Socks. Warm masokisi. Bachi. Jacket. Bachi. Chikabudura. Shorts. Chikabudura. Gumbeze. Blanket. Snuggle up warm in the gumbeze. Bag. Bag. Pack your bag.
You look very smart. You were dressed in knowledge. Keep going. Ngatichengete mutauro wedu. Let's keep our language alive. Let's go outside now. The world is so beautiful. In Shona, we call nature Zvisikwa. That means everything that is created around us.
Zula. Sun. The hot Zula. Mwezi. Moon. Good night, Mwezi. Nyeredzi. Stars. Twinkle, twinkle, nyeredzi. Mvura. Rain. By the way, it's the same word as water. Mvura. Muti. Tree. Climbed the muti. Uswa. Grass. Green, green. Uswa. Ruler. Flower. Smell the ruler. Ruizi. River. Flowing Ruizi. Moto. Fire. Hot moto. Maple. Wind. Feel the maple.
Fresh air. Zvisikwa are just so wonderful. Just like you. Now, are you ready to move? Don't sit still. Do some actions. Zviito. I want you to do the actions when you say the word.
Famba. Walk. Famba. Manya. Run. Manya. Gara. Sit. Mira. Stand up. Mira. Ijga. Eat. Ijga. Rara. Sleep.
Tamba.
Tamba. Play.
Let's dance, everyone.
Tamba.
Feel the rhythm.
Seka. Laugh. Seka. Chema. Cry. Chema.
Geza means
Geza.
bath.
Wash. Geza.
Phew, you are working so hard. Ndinoimba mutauro wangu. I will sing my language and I will live it too. We are almost there. Let's paint our world with colors. Mavara. And count with numbers. Manamba.
Tshuku. Red. Tshuku. Shena. white, chena, nema, black, nema, motsi, one, motsi, mbiri, two, mbiri, natu, three, natu, ina, four, ina, shanu, five, shanu, nanatu, six, nanatu, nongwen, seven, nongwen, sere, eight, sere, fumbangwen, nine, fumbangwen, gumi, 10, gumi, majinji, many. We have now learned mazwi, majinji.
You did it! Makorokoto! Congratulations! You have just learned 100 Shona words. I'm so proud of my mother tongue, and I'm so proud of you too. Mine's Mazitati Guru Achiti. Chengetedze mutauro wenyu. The elders said, keep your language. I want you to practice these Shona words every day. Teach a friend of yours. Say it loud. Say it clear. Your own words are so full of love. Don't forget to tell your grown-up that we have a book called My First 100 Shona Words. You can find it in the link in the description below. And while you're there, why don't you like and subscribe to Sarura Kids? Go out there and speak Chishona Chenyu. Go out there and speak your language. I'm so proud of you. Maitabasa, Mulanizwa Rakanaka.